right, are we online? Okay, and welcome to our international visitors and audience out there. Good afternoon. And could I please ask Councillor Tonganui Kingi to give us a blessing for the day? Thanks, Tong.
Thank you, Your Worship. Whakataka te hau ki te uru, whakataka te hau ki te tonga, kia mā kinekine ki uta, kia mā taratara ki tai. E hi aki ana te a tākura, he teo, he hoka, he hauhu, haumi e, hui e, tā ki e. Thank you, Worship.
Thank you very much, Councillor Kingi. And just to reiterate to the councillors, please have the red light on and talk very directly into our microphones. Just welcome members of the public and media. Can you hear us okay? Cool. All right. Thank you. Okay, item 1. We have apologies, and we have an apology from Councillor Truman, I believe. Councillor Williamson. Okay. So, could you like to move that, Councillor Kingi, seconded by Councillor Hickling? All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried.